Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is all about 10 creative ways to use leftover chicken. I don't know about you, but I love to meal prep and usually have lots of leftovers. Instead of throwing them away or eating the same thing over and over again, let's get creative with them. 1. Chicken tacos. Shred the chicken, add your favorite taco seasoning, and add it to a tortilla with all your favorite fixings. 2. Chicken salad. Dice the chicken, add some mayo or Greek yogurt, and mix in some diced veggies for a delicious and healthy chicken salad. 3. Chicken pot pie. Mix leftover chicken with frozen veggies and a canned cream of chicken soup. Add the mixture to a pie crust and bake for a delicious pot pie. 4. Chicken Alfredo. Shred the chicken and add it to a jar of Alfredo sauce. Serve over your favorite pasta for a quick and easy meal. 5. Chicken fried rice. Mix leftover chicken with cold rice and stir-fry with veggies for a yummy fried rice dish. 6. Chicken quesadillas. Layer the chicken with cheese and veggies between 2 tortillas and cook in a skillet until crispy and golden. 7. Chicken enchiladas. Shred the chicken and mix with enchilada sauce. Wrap the mixture in tortillas and top with more sauce and cheese before baking. 8. Buffalo chicken dip. Mix the chicken with cream cheese and buffalo sauce for a spicy and delicious dip that's perfect for parties. 9. Chicken noodle soup. Mix leftover chicken with veggies, broth, and egg noodles for a comforting bowl of homemade chicken noodle soup. 10. Chicken Caesar salad. Slice the chicken and add it to your favorite Caesar salad recipe for a delicious and satisfying meal. There you have it, folks. 10 creative ways to use leftover chicken. Don't let those leftovers go to waste. Try these ideas out and let me know which ones you enjoyed the most in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I post 2 new videos every day and I promise you won't regret it. See you in the next one.